To verify your identity on PrizePicks, follow these steps. Log into your PrizePicks account. Open the PrizePicks app or website and log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your Account Settings or Profile section. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Submit required documents. PrizePicks may ask you to provide documents for identity verification. These may include a valid government-issued ID, a proof of address. Make sure the documents are clear and legible, with your full name, photo, and address visible. Upload documents. Follow the prompts to upload your identity verification documents. This step is typically done by taking a clear picture of the documents and uploading them directly through the app or website. Wait for verification. After submission, PrizePicks will review your documents. This may take a few minutes to a few hours. You will receive a confirmation email once your identity is verified. Troubleshooting. If your verification fails, double-check the clarity of your documents and resubmit them. If issues persist, contact PrizePicks support for assistance.